Love the low-carb tortillas from here. The Mission brand. I don't like the Aldi brand for some reason. To me, I feel like it kicks me out of ketosis. I like this, and I like the spinach and herb. Which one should I get? So today I'll be sharing my Costco haul, my Kroger shop with me and grocery haul, and we'll be doing a little bit of restocking, my meal plan, meal prep, all of that stuff in today's video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content. So let's go ahead and get started so you can see what I got from Costco. Here's what I got. I got some filters for us. These were on sale last month in February, but even when they're not on sale, it's still a better price to get them from Costco because you get a 3-pack for I think like $40, whereas these are $20 each at Home Depot for this particular kind. So I got this. I get them every time they're on sale too, just to stock up because you're always gonna have to replace your filter. Now in the store, I was talking about these pants. I asked my husband if he wanted me to get him a pair. I thought they were really cute, just loungewear for him. So I bought him the 2-pack in the colors black and gray. And then also in the store, I talked about these drumsticks and how I'm gonna butterfly them. I think this is gonna be really good. I'm gonna put this on my meal plan for this week, which I'll be sharing at the end of this video. My meal plan, the restock and all of that. But I got these drumsticks and they were only $4.84. We got some cauliflower rice. I love this cauliflower rice because it comes pre-packaged in like 4 containers that are like 4 ounces each of cauliflower, or a plastic container. So when I'm ready to cook it, I just grab the plastic container and then, not container, but the plastic bag, and I can microwave it. Love this. These are a family favorite, these keto ice cream bars. My whole family loves these. Even my children love these. Husband loves these. These are so good. No aftertaste at all. They're just absolutely delicious. Of course, we got some bacon, my favorite bacon from Costco. The price of these are coming back down. It was $17.89. So that's not bad for this bacon, especially like all bacon is pretty expensive now. Even going to Kroger, they're like $10 a pack. So I love this bacon because it's nice and thick, and you get a 2-pack for $17.89. Of course, I got some Kerrygold butter. Listen, as a keto staple, this is a keto staple. I cook with this every day. Our whole family uses it like for biscuits or bread or anything like that. I love this butter so much, and we go through it about, I'd say, 1 pack a week almost. So you get 4 8-ounce bars. So that's why every time I go to Costco, I get some Kerrygold. Of course, some keto bread. This is my favorite keto bread, by the way. And I was so happy when they started selling it at Costco because it's so good, and it's so much more expensive to order it online, but you get the 2-pack, I think, for $5.99. Of course, some almonds. This is like my everyday snack for husband and I. We eat almonds every single day, so I always get these, and it's just like a quick snack to have. Some chicken meatballs. I love these chicken meatballs. This is something to just keep in your freezer for the days that you forgot to take something out. Quick, easy. These are absolutely delicious. I've been getting these for years, and it is a staple of mine. Of course, some broccoli. One of the meals I'm gonna have is beef and broccoli that I'm gonna make for this week. And again, I'll share my meal plan with you shortly. So I got some broccoli. I got some blueberries, some organic blueberries. If my memory serves me correctly, these are the ones that taste really, really good. So I got these. I got some bread for my parents, some raspberries, and some strawberries. So that is it. That's all I got from Costco. All together from Costco, I spent $170. Okay, so like the filter and the pants I got my husband, those are not gonna come out of our grocery budget. Everything else will come out of our grocery budget, and that together I think was $45. So yeah, Costco's not cheap. But at least I got the drumsticks and the bacon. Those are the 2 most expensive things. But yeah, $170 for all this. Now let me show you what I got from Kroger. I need to run into Five Below because Zara's headphones broke for school. Ava needs an extra pair. They go through at least 2 pairs a year at school, and I found that whether you get expensive like $25 pair of headphones or $5 headphones, guess what? They all break. So it's just better to get the $5 or $6 ones. Oh, they have all the Easter stuff coming out. I'm not ready yet though. Even though I'm ready for spring, I'm not ready to look at all the Easter stuff just yet. I said I was just coming in here really fast. This is cute. I always like little games for them. Outdoor games and stuff. What's this? Oh, rainbow wand. That's cute. The jumper. Okay. All right. Let's get over to the headphones. Let's see. They have these now, but they're too big for Zara's little cubby thing that she has at school. So, and I don't want the Bluetooth ones. they need to be able to plug them in. I always buy 2 headphones because I like to have a pair there in case they come home and say, Mom, one side doesn't work. Going into Best Buy to see about this Chromebook. All right, let's see. Gosh, I saw one online for $99. It was an Asus. It was a small Asus, 11.6 to be exact. Here it is. This is the one that was on sale for $99 online yesterday. Open box is low as $97.99. I don't know. Is it a touch screen? All right, I'm gonna have to FaceTime Charles and see what he wants me to get. Let's see. Here's one. Oh, this is the one that they have actually. Horrible. I will never ever recommend you get this Chromebook. This is the exact one that they had. It was $250. Zara's lasted 6 months. Ava's lasted, it just died on us. But we were having issues with it. We had to send it back to Samsung for them to fix. We just got a pair of duds. To be honest, it just isn't even worth the $250. Let's see. These are starting to get expensive here. Okay, y'all, last stop. We are going to Kroger to get just the last few things on my list. I have to hurry up because I have to get my girls back from school, so let's hurry up and get in there. So that's not bad. The blackberries, I'm gonna get some of these. A little bit of salad. I love the low-carb tortillas from here, the Mission brand. I don't like the Aldi brand for some reason. To me, I feel like it kicks me out of ketosis. I like this, and I like the spinach and herb. Which one should I get? Sun-dried tomatoes is pretty good too. That one has a little bit more carbs in it though, 5 grams. Whereas the spinach and the regular has 4 net grams of carbs. Gosh, not much in the chicken department. I like the Purdue, but see how much the wings are. Jeez, $8 for, what is this, 6 wings? Peanut butter is high, isn't it? Man, $5.29. But I am a peanut butter person. Like, it has to be Jif for me. Is it me? Or are chips starting to be really expensive? Jeez. Came in for a few things and now it's turning into a lot more. I'm looking for unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I like coconut milk too though. Ah, here it is. Unsweetened vanilla. We have some Steak-umms left here. The past couple of weeks they haven't had it, but $9? $9.99 for Steak-umms? Ooh, hard to make that work. Wow. Price of coffee is going up too. I don't remember this one pack of coffee being $8.79. I remember being $7.99, but not $8.79. That's kind of crazy, right? My goodness. Jeez. Let's see. How much is the 8 o'clock? Oh wow, the 8 o'clock is on sale. And it's probably because it's about to expire. Yeah, it's hard to trust the dates on these things. Okay, time to go. Okay, from Kroger, I got this maple sausage. We really like these sausage links. They taste pretty good. They have 3 net carbs and 3 links, so we all enjoy those. Pop-Tarts for my girls, some pretzels and potato chips for my girls. Of course, some peanut butter. It's so expensive. You guys saw that in the store. Some low-carb tortillas. I got the spinach this time. Love the spinach. Some sharp cheddar cheese, some baby spinach, mozzarella, 2 dozen eggs. I love these happy eggs. Not eggs, all eggs are created equal. These eggs taste absolutely delicious. I love these pasture-raised eggs. Some blackberries, 8 o'clock coffee because it was on sale. Some Dunkin' Donuts coffees. You saw the price of Dunkin' Donuts coffee. It's like crazy. A fresh tomato and some vanilla unsweetened almond milk. Okay, all together at Kroger, I think this was like $60 or was it 70? 60, I can't remember. It was either $60 or $70 all together for all this. I mean, it's not cheap, but what is anymore, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and put everything away. From Five Below, I got these 2-in-1 headphones. I hope they work okay. They're Bluetooth and you can plug them in. Plus, got one blue, one pink for my girls. I will keep the receipt and the box this time. I don't know. I forgot to ask because I was rushing if when they break, if you can bring them back. Because my oldest daughter's, hers broke like once I'd stopped working. And I remember once before I was in Five Below and the employee was like, oh, you know, you can bring back the cords, like the charging cords for your phone back if they stopped working. So leave a comment down below if you know if there's any truth to that. But maybe I will call tomorrow and ask them. If so, then I will keep the box. If not, I'm trashing it. I just like to get 2 of these because they go through the headsets so much. Like they use them a lot at school, and I've bought them more expensive ones before, like ones that are $20, $30, and then these $5, $6 ones before too. And the $20, $30 ones break as well. So I just stick with the $6 ones. I can always just replace them. So delicious. Yummy. I feel like I could eat this whole tray. Just dry these out for a little bit. So I use these mason jars that obviously I'm reusing these. These aren't mason jars that I've bought, but I keep them in these mason jars because the strawberries will last you up to 3 weeks. As long as you keep it dry in here and keep the lid sealed. I learned that on, not sealed, but just tightly on there. I learned this on TikTok University. Learned so much. Same with the blueberries. Now the raspberries and the blackberries, you have to just keep them moist. And it's best for them to get a little bit of air in these containers. So I just line them with the paper towels. I put some paper towels on the top of the raspberries too, just to collect a little bit of moisture. But now that I'm feeling it, I feel like they're pretty dry at this point. So they probably don't need that top layer, but I keep the bottom layer on there just to keep the moisture out, because that's what causes the, you know, mold. But they will last a lot longer doing this. Now that everything's washed, it's just quickly, like the girls can come in and get a snack. Well, really Ava, my youngest, she's the only one that really eats these fruits, but they're already prepared for us all to just snack and eat on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the fridge. Also, I wash them with water and a little bit of vinegar. That's what you saw me pour on top of them. So, and I let them soak for a few minutes. The strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Now the raspberries, I find I don't let them soak because they get too soft. So I just rinse them really, really well and then let them dry out. All right, y'all, it is time to do my meal plan for the week. I don't do this all the time, but I really do need to do it more often because it helps me to have all my meals planned and I don't have to worry about it during the week. As far as dinners go, I don't plan for breakfast and lunch because that's usually just anything, you know, whatever we feel like eating. But it's dinners where I really, really struggle. So I have my printables here that I like to use. These are some printables that I sell in my store. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description box. But basically I like to keep like a freezer inventory so that I know what's in my freezer at all times, and then I can kind of plan out my dinner. Now we typically eat out 2 nights a week, and I try to cook 5 nights a week. Keyword try, because listen, it doesn't always happen that way. I try to make it happen that way, but I don't. So basically with my freezer inventory, I try to organize it by meats, bread. Sometimes I have desserts in there and non-pizza pizza bread that we use in there. But as of right now, this is just what I'm tracking in there so that I know, you know, how many that I have. These little X's next to it tell me like how many meals, or how many packages I have. So these are the chicken breasts, these are chicken tenders, ground beef. And then I also bought these very thinly sliced beef, I think it's New York, like is it strip beef or tender, like a tenderloin? Anyway, they're thinly sliced, and I was thinking I can make something with that this week. I divided the packaging up to 3, so that's like 3 meals. So I have to decide what I'm going to use for this week's meal plan. Every here I have my boxes for the days, and then sometimes I like to track my inventory with this, or I'll write what I'm using on here if I don't have this to update, or in any kind of notes. So all right, so Monday, I think what we're gonna have is the beef. No, I don't know what we're gonna have on Monday, because today is Sunday, and we're gonna have the beef and broccoli meal that I talked about with those thinly sliced beef tenders. So we'll do beef and broccoli. That's tonight. And then, okay, so Monday, I think I'm gonna use a pack of chicken breast. So what I do here is I'll highlight. We're gonna use a pack of the beef tender. I like to highlight that. And then we'll use a pack of chicken breast. We'll use a pack of ground beef, because we usually always do Taco Tuesdays. Let me make it easier for myself. Well, we usually always do Taco Tuesday or nachos. So taco or nachos. I always have stuff on hand for that. And then Fridays, we always do homemade pizza, and I always have stuff for that. So really it's just these 3 days that I try to fill in. And now that the girls are getting older, it's like I don't have as many leftovers as much. So I think I'm gonna make a chicken breast, maybe some chicken parm. That sounds good, right? Chicken parm, I have everything for that. I'm still keto, so I don't eat the noodles, but I will make the noodles for my girls, and then I will have either zucchini noodles for Charles and I, or we'll use cauliflower rice, and that's something that we always have. As a matter of fact, I need to add that to my inventory because I have 4 packs of that. Okay, let's see, Wednesday. Okay, so we'll use the ground beef on Tuesday. We're gonna use the beef thinly sliced strips today, chicken breast on Monday, ground beef on Tuesday. So I need something. Oh, I have salmon. I have salmon in the freezer. Duh, let me add that in here. I think I only have 1 like big piece of sockeye salmon. So we'll have that, salmon. And then Thursday, oh, this is where I'm like, oh my goodness, somebody. Thursday, what are we gonna have? I don't wanna make like chicken again, because we just like, oh, get tired of chicken. Let's see, chicken parm, Taco Tuesday, some salmon, and a vegetable. We'll probably have, this is beef and broccoli here, chicken parm. We'll have zucchini noodles for me, and then pasta noodles for my girls. So we'll have zucchini noodles here. Salmon, we'll have broccoli again, because we have the broccoli, so we probably will. Broccoli again. And then Thursday, what to have on Thursday? This is where it gets tough, because I don't know. Let me think about it for a second. Let's see.
A few moments later.
Okay, finally figured it out, because I forgot I have chicken meatballs. I had to check. Oh my gosh, wrong color again. I'm such a weirdo. Like, I just feel like I want everything to be a certain color. Meatballs. And we have 2 packs of those. So highlight that. And we're gonna do chicken meatballs. It's a staple that I like to keep. Meatballs and with salads. Boom. Super simple, easy meal plan. I mean, where do you guys usually get your motivation or inspiration for meals? Sometimes I go to Pinterest and sometimes I don't, because it could get a little overwhelming, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to have to buy a whole bunch of ingredients. I want everything to be super simple, quick and easy, something that I can make ketogenically for myself and then also give to my kids. My kids are not keto, obviously, but yeah, but we tend to like rotate through the same meals. Like, we have tacos or nachos every week and homemade pizzas every week. Sometimes we get tired of the taco and nachos and I just take them completely out. Sometimes we'll have leftovers, but sometimes we don't. So this is just like a guide for me in case I just don't know what we're gonna have. I can always reference this, but I do like to go with the flow, because you know, anything can happen during the week. That is it, my friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.